Hi all, in this video we are going to see about entity in ER diagram. What is an ER diagram? An entity relationship diagram is a visual representation of different entities within a system and how they are related to each other. It is a tool used to design and model relational database and shows the logical structure of the database. There are three basic elements in an ER diagram, that is entity, attribute and relationship. In this video we are going to see about entity. What is entity? Any real world object can be represented as an entity about which data can be stored in a database. All the real world objects like book, a car, person are the example of an entity. An entity is symbol represented by a rectangle enclosed its name. Here we have student entity, teacher entity and project entity. Entity represents a table in a database. Entities are categorized into three types, that is strong entity, weak entity and associative entity. First one is strong entity. A strong entity set exists independently and each instance of a strong entity set has a unique primary key. Let's see the given diagram. It shows the car entity with car register number as a primary key and model, name, etc. represents the strong entity. Next one is weak entity, and weak entity does not have a primary key attributes and depends on other entity via foreign key attributes. Here let's see the given diagram. It shows the car entity with name and color attribute. Here there is no primary key attributes, so it is a weak entity. A weak entity is represented by double rectangle. Next one is associative entity. An associative entity is the type of entity used to represent many-to-many relationship between two other entities. It is also known as junction table or bridge table. It acts as a connection link between two entities, allowing them to relate even when the direct relationship is not visible. It is represented as a diamond inside a rectangle. See the given diagram. Here, enrollment is a associative entity. I hope you will understand the entity and its types. In the next video, we will see about attributes in ER diagram. Thank you.